Hello friend, welcome back to Hawkstack channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to break the root password from the Linux. So for performing all those things, there will be some step that we should aware. So first task will be that you have to restart the system. I'm going to restart the system. So first, I'm making it power off. After powering off, I'm going to start and I will make it restart. So first, I'm going to start it with power on. What you have to do, you have to just start it. We have to wait till it's started. It's started. So there are some user account and we can log in here. What we are going to do, we are just going to restart it. After going to restart, we will see that there is a grub menu between the boot process. In that process, we are going to stop it. So first restart it and just stop the countdown. There will be countdown related to it. So we just stop the countdown. In the grub version 2.06, we can see right now there are two values, one with without rescue and second is rescue mode. So in order to break the root password, what we have to do, come on rescue mode and then press a small E letter. After pressing this letter, you will see a new prompt on our window, the load video set gfx, and here we will see a paragraph with Linux word here. Now, in that para, you have to come to the last line. So, in order to come to the last line, we are going to use the int button, which is given in your keyboard. Press the int button, you have come to the end point. Then we are going to write rd.break. After writing rd.break, you not have to make enter, you have to just give the key combination of control plus x. After giving the value control plus x, now our system is going to open for maintenance mode. Okay, now we can see the data switch underscore root. In this place, what we are going to do, first, you have to mention mount hyphen o, remount, comma, read write, and then sysroot. We are mentioning this because we have to write on that directory and which is only readable format. So we are making mount and remount to that directory with read write permission. So after it, press enter. Now what we want, you have to become a root user so that you will be able to change your password. So for this, what you have to do, you have to write ch root, then slash sysroot. After typing this, you can see that it's showing you sh 5.1 something. So what it's means right now you are in a mode where as a root user, you can type your data, you can give whatever the things you want to give. So here we are in order to break the root password. So we have to mention echo, then the password that you want to give, just like we want to give white hat. After giving the white hat, pass wd hyphen hyphen stdin, then the name of user. After mentioning the name of user, you have to hit enter. So now the password is updated successfully for the root. Now we are aware that the password related to user is going to store in /etc/shadow file, but we are in maintenance mode and that is not labeled with the security context. That's why we have to first give the labeling. So for making auto label, we have to type touch / dot auto relabel and you have to enter. Now the task is completed. You have to reboot. So just exit and it will going to restart itself. Wait. It will take some time in order to restart it. It will take some time to update. If you have done all the steps in a proper way without any mistake, without any spelling mistake, it will help you in order to get the right answer. We are just waiting. So when it's restarting or going to restart, we not go have to stop the countdown. We are just allowed to start in normal mode. Now, these are the login. We are just trying to log in as a root user. Now try the password, white hat, which we have given. If it is give us the successful login, it means the password break has done successful. So now we are in system, in console, and we can perform our task, the task we want to do. So now it's working perfectly. So this is the way how we are breaking the root password in RHEL. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.